Guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at the monthly results for October. It's November. Yes, it's the mid of November, but I'm going to be looking at the October results for My Legion Secrets. The main reason why I'm shooting this video a bit late to give you guys the update for the last month is just because I've actually been traveling quite a bit. So I haven't been posting the videos and stuff like that. So I'm back. I'm ready to get into it. And this is why I'm going into these videos and actually sharing with you. So let's look at the month of October's results and how are we moving forward until the end of the year. Okay guys, here I am on my screen, and once again, welcome to the channel if you're watching this for the first time. And guys, if you are coming back to watch the My Legion Secrets videos, I see a lot of people coming back to watch the videos. I'm hoping that this is giving you value with the consistency, with the information that's shared, and it's going to be there for the long term. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you are interested in future videos like this. Now I'm going to get this out of the way right in the beginning. So if at any point of time during this entire monthly review that I'm going to be doing for the month of October, if you want to get started with My Legion Secrets, I have a link to My Legion Secrets in the description of this video. It is the first link in the description, and I will also post it in the comments. So in case you guys want to get started with My Legion Secrets, that link will be in the description. Just know that I want to get it out of the way right now before I go into it and share with you more. That being said, why do I talk about My Legion Secrets? Why do I take the time to spend on actually having a monthly review for it? The reason for it is because it is a fundamental part of my journey as an affiliate marketer. If you're someone like me who has a full-time job, who's doing affiliate marketing on the side, and you need a way to start to generate a cash flow for yourself, My Legion Secrets is a part of my cash flow generating step in my entire strategy. And this is why it is a fundamental and key element for me personally. So no matter what anybody says, I will be using My Legion Secrets throughout, and I will be generating it through this strategy, which I'm sharing on this channel. Now, if you want to know more about this whole entire strategy, there's a link in the description to a playlist actually in the description to how to get $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, and you can find that all in the playlist there. Okay, so step one is to do with My Legion Secrets. Basically, guys, I use My Legion Secrets for two things. Okay, two main things. But before I get into it, I want to share with you what My Legion Secrets is. So let me just go here on the screen. And by the way, the link for this is again in the description. It's the first link in case you want to get started. So what is My Legion Secrets? First, My Legion Secrets is a product that gives you 100 to 200 leads every single day. You don't need a website. You don't need everything. They give you a platform where you can email those leads every single day, but the aim of them is to do the work for you, get those 100 leads every day, because it does take time, it does take effort to actually get to 100 leads every single day consistently. So this way, you know, at least you're getting 3,000 leads every single month that you can start to work with and generate, and hopefully generate commissions. But they're not saying that you're going to get guaranteed sales. That's not what they're saying. What they're saying is they're going to get guaranteed leads for you. So they're going to definitely give you leads. Now, these quality leads, in my opinion, are still very good. They still are converting. I'm going to show you guys that in this update. But that is what My Legion Secrets do. It does two things for you. One, it takes away the factor in affiliate marketing that you have to go and advertise. Here, you're getting the advertising already done for you, and you're just accessing the leads. So that's helping you a lot, which is why it's a part of my first step, because I do have a full-time job. So this does take a lot of the effort away from me and gives me more space to work on the skill sets of affiliate marketing. So that's why I have My Legion Secrets in my core element of what I do. So that's the first thing, advertising. And the second thing is it allows you to practice email marketing or copywriting, because you are able to send an email out every 24 hours to your list that you have in My Legion Secrets. Now, the way I work with My Legion Secrets, I think of it as my personal email account. I do not take those leads and upload it into others. I utilize it as an email responder, let's say autoresponder myself. So I email every single day. I send it traffic to an offer, and then I generate sales from that. So that's as simple as I keep it. If you can see from this step one right here, it goes from My Legion Secrets. I email my leads every day on an offer, and then I generate a sale. That's it. I'm not complicating the whole process. I'm keeping it very, very simple. I'm focusing on the skill set of copywriting. That's the main thing that I'm focusing on here. Everything else is in this description or in this link below. But just to give you guys an idea, it costs $30 per month. So the first month will be $60 to get started because they have $30 per month plus a $30 startup fee or setup fee. So one-time setup fee. So after that, it's $30 every single month. So I've been paying $30 every single month. And yeah, that's it. That's all. So you're paying $60 the first month and $30 if you want to keep it for the rest of the month. They do have a referral program. I'm not going to get into it because I don't focus on the referral program. Like I said, I just share these videos to document my journey and talk to you guys about it. So if you want to get started, as I said, link is in the description. It's up to you. I'm absolutely fine if you do or don't. It doesn't matter. I'm going to still be making these videos. So let me go ahead and jump into my results for October. So first and foremost, let's look at My Leads and Secrets in itself. Okay. I'm just going to look at October, but I believe in the month of October, let's go to commissions. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll in here because I don't want to give out any names, but we'll just look at the month of October to have an idea. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. Before I get into these commissions, guys, let me do this. This is My Legion Secrets. So as I said, I use My Legion Secrets to send an offer. Let's look at the offer first. I don't want to look at this and explain to you exactly. Let's just look at the month of October. So the 1st of October to the 31st. Let's go. This is my Warrior Plus. So as you can see from the formula, I send an email every single day to an offer, and usually that offer is in Warrior Plus that I have it, and I have a tracking code called MLJS that's there. So how much did I make with My Legion Secrets in the month of October? I made $216.34 in commissions. So those are the commissions. I made 14 sales pretty much every single week. As you can see here, there's a 5-day difference between these two, but then there's a 2-day difference here. There's a 4-day difference here. There's another 5-day difference here. But basically every single week in October, as you can see right here, I've been making sales. That means around $300 worth of sales. So people bought $300 worth of products. So that's what the leads on My Legion Secrets are generating for me. And the commissions that I got is $216.34 just from My Legion Secrets. So that's cool. So let me just put that number on paper so that you guys have it. Okay, let's just do 216.34. Okay, and then we're going to add. Now, as I said before, My Legion Secrets also does have, I don't use it as a referral. I use it as a traffic source. This is my plan, guys. This is my plan. Let me simplify it again for you. I take My Legion Secrets. I'm repeating this so that you guys understand. I go to My Legion Secrets every day. I send out an email every single day to those leads, and I send it to an offer in Warrior Plus that has generated me a commission of $216.34. So it's generating me consistently for the last, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 months that I've been using this and following the strategy, at least $200 every month. So the strategy is very, very cool to have as a good cash flow generating, because at least you have $200 per month that's coming in, which you can reinvest into other things. And as you can see, my formula goes into actually reinvesting that money into more traffic so that I can accumulate over time a certain consistency. But that being said, I also add at the end of my email. So let me just go ahead and actually share those with you so that you can see it. Let's zoom out here. At the end of my emails, this is just to show you guys an email that I sent today. I have usually 2 links, and then I have this right here, and then I may have a PS link right here. So maximum 3 links are there in my entire thing, right? So that's how I'm pretty much promoting on every single day. Now that means if somebody clicks here, where do they go? They basically go to this page, as you can see right here. That's just an example. Okay, that's a way that I'm not bluntly pushing My Legion Secrets, but I have the link there in case I get started. And the reason for that is when you have at least 1 referral, then you can have 200 leads instead of 100 leads every single day being delivered to you. So I just have been doing that very, very simply from the very beginning. And that's why you can see, and I'm going to show you guys, you can see if I look at my downline, I have 14 members in my downline, and then now the second level is already starting to build. So this is on a passive basis. I'm not really focusing on this element. So this is just happening in the background, and let's see how much it actually generated me in the month of October. Okay, so let's just look at that, and we'll scroll down here. So we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, right? We'll put 11 into 5, okay, plus 4. I'm going to show you why I'm doing this. 11 into 5 because specifically it is $5 per commission. Those were 11 people who were active, and I got 11 commissions basically. And then $4 for the commissions that one commission that I earned on the second level. So that's how much I got. So that's $275.34. Now, how much does my Legion Secrets cost me? $30 a month. So I'm going to subtract 30 from that. And the pure net profit this month of October has been $245.34. So guys, this has been a very systematic strategy. I have just one account. Remember, you can have multiple accounts with my Legion Secrets as well. I just have one account. So with one account, I'm generating a consistent $200 per month just with this method. Now, for those who are lazy and going to get started with this, I know that some of them will just be happy with the $200 and not bother about doing anything else. Obviously, my plans are bigger. My goals are bigger. This is a very fundamental step, but it's a cash flow generating step. And I keep repeating this because it is important. It's a cash flow generating step that allows me then to invest more in my business. So that's the key element. My Legion Secrets works, guys. As I said, I will be making these videos consistently because it works for me. I have every single week, every single day. Let me just show you guys. If I go till today, I think it's the 17th of November when I'm shooting this video, so you will see it. And if I just go to MLGS, you'll see that every single week I have sales coming in. I have over, so let's just say since the last since October, 25 sales. But let me just show you this entire year. Okay, let me just go to January and just search and till now, just to show you how consistent this strategy has been. So I'm looking at only my Legion Secrets. I've done 110 sales, guys, just with this method. I earned $1,778 $78.13 with this method. 2,700, almost $3,000 worth of sales that is just passively coming in week after week because of this method. So no one can tell me that it doesn't work, because it does. And personally, I only focus on a few things. As I said, all the links and resources are in the description of this video. Feel free to join, hit that subscribe button. And guys, stay tuned for Wednesday for another video. And then on Friday, we'll be talking about this specific strategy much more. So stay tuned for those videos as well. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.